maybe we can go down there. Check this one out. Get ready. Get ready. Wow. It's beautiful. Lovely and peaceful. There was a little contribution to get in this one, but in all fairness you can actually see that they are doing stuff to it, so don't mind giving a contribution when you can see that there's things actually being done to the place and it's actually being kept in a good state, to be honest with you. I'm taking it the bottles there are for the flies and the ants. There's a dragon in there. Even in Thailand there's one that's got a spoiled a piece. So this is where I'm actually at. Shrine of Our Lady Koh Phangan. So yeah. It's on Koh Phangan anyway. Let's go to the next one. I think we can ring a bell up here. See if we can make a noise. Banging. This is weird. All this water flowing down the stairs. I don't understand it. We're leading up to a big shrine though. Okay. The water is running down these walls. I think they've got a water leak. Yeah, they have. It's nothing to do with this, it's just a water leak.